Hello, and welcome to part 6 of the How to Make a Conversation with Confidence series, and that is making plans. Super important for when you're meeting new people, having new conversations, and making new friends, hopefully. So you see here we have a dialogue. Wanna hang out? Wanna is want to. Want to. But we're lazy. We smudge our words together. Wanna hang out? Yeah, for sure. Yes, absolutely. Now, grammatically, we use the present continuous tense to talk about things that are happening now or plans for the future, for both of them. So look at this example. She's falling asleep early. So right now, she's falling asleep early because she's going on a date tomorrow. So notice, it's all in present or present continuous tense. She's falling asleep early because she's going on a date tomorrow, even though it's describing the future. It's the present continuous, telling now and plans for the future. So here's an example that you'll hear really often. What are you doing on Saturday? That means that they want to hang out. Whoever's saying that to you. What are you doing on Saturday? It means they want to hang out. That could be romantic for a date or platonic for friends. Now, you can respond negatively or positively. If you can't hang out or you don't want to, you say, sorry, I can't. But instead of just saying no, we normally say why. Because the question is, what are you doing on Saturday? So we answer, sorry, I'm working all day Saturday. So pay attention what we say and what we mean. We say, what are you doing? That means he wants to hang out. And I'm working all day Saturday. That means she can't hang out. This is a really common and very polite way to say no to an invitation. I'd love to, but. And the more upset you are, the more polite or the more genuine you are. Like, that sounds like so much fun. I'd love to hang out with you on Saturday, but I can't. I'm working all day Saturday. If you can, if you want to hang out, then say yes. I'm down to hang out. I'm down to hang out. What did you want to do? So here she's saying, I'm down. That means yes, I want to. I want to do that. Now, let's keep in touch. How do we keep in touch? How do we stay connected? Normally through a phone number. Someone will ask, do you want to take my phone number? Or do you want to keep in touch? That's the polite way. Instead of asking what's your phone number, like you would at maybe a front desk reception or at a more professional setting, the more casual and more polite way to casually ask for contact information is to offer your own. Do you want to take my phone number? Or even more common, especially now with our phones in our hands, is we say, here, add your info. Do you want to add your phone number to my phone? And then it's an option. Also common these days is instead of sharing phone numbers, you'll share social media profiles. So maybe you'd ask, do you have Instagram? Or you'll ask whichever social media you prefer. Or if you're being super polite, you'll ask the other person, what socials do you use? What socials do you use? When you say socials, it's a slang term meaning social media, just shortened. What socials do you use? Or I always ask, do you have Instagram? Because I'm not active on any other type. So I always ask, do you have Instagram? Now, once you have their contact information and later you want to hang out with them, you'll send a text, maybe your call. I'll say, I'm bored. What do you want to do? maybe some suggestions. Best way to answer this is let's. Let's is a contraction of let us, but we never say let us. It's very formal. Maybe you'll hear it in church. We always say let's. It means that we should do this. It's encouraging. Let's do this. So some example sentences. What do you want to do? Let's watch a movie. Let's go for a hike. Let's make dinner. Let's go out. Let's go out and party. That's the end of the video today. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.